you can see there is a very big tree in the middle of other trees. That one, it is the god of thunder. It can arrest every thunder. Every thunder it arrests. So those people dwelling around those places, they can never be electrocuted by thunder. Yes, it is a god of thunder. I don't know how other African communities call them, but it is a god of thunder. In Africa, we have gods of different events. Like for example, we have god of infertility, we have god of harvest, we have god of thunder. Like for example, this one here is a god of thunder. Yeah, it arrests every thunder. May it be at night, daytime, or whichever time it might be. Yeah, thank you very much.